Welcome to the monthly release highlights for Auth0. We'll go over this month's new available features. Let's begin by looking at the generally available features. Introducing enhanced bot detection accuracy and reduced friction. This release includes an improved bot detection model to improve security and user experience, especially for tenants with users that frequently access resources via VPN. Some improvements include reduced false positives for VPN users. The model now more effectively distinguishes between legitimate users and bots, even when traffic originates from shared IPs or anonymized networks. This release also improves user experience without compromising security. These updates are designed to reduce unnecessary friction for valid users while maintaining strong defenses against automated threats. Also introducing flexibility for passwordless on universal login with connection switching. This is an optional feature that allows users to choose their method of authentication when logging into an application. When implemented, your application's login screen presents users with the option to authenticate with either traditional database credentials or a passwordless connection. Finally, JA3 and JA4 TLS fingerprints are now available in tenant logs and actions. This feature expands security telemetry to include JA3 and JA4 TLS fingerprints. TLS fingerprinting is a proven technique for identifying client software based on the TLS handshake. These signals help customers detect and respond to malicious traffic faster, identify suspicious client behavior, and correlate related activity across changing IPs and sessions. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features. We are pleased to announce the early access release of multi-resource refresh tokens, which allows a single refresh token to be used to obtain access tokens for multiple APIs. Instead of requiring a new refresh token for each API, multi-resource refresh tokens enables developers to define audience-specific policies on the application and request access to multiple downstream APIs as needed, without requiring the user to re-authenticate. Native to Web SSO enables seamless authentication between native mobile apps and web applications, eliminating the need for users to re-enter credentials when switching between them. Auth0 FGA logging API is now in early access. It empowers developers, platform engineers, and compliance teams with enhanced visibility into authorization activity within their applications. We are pleased to announce the early access release of Actions Transaction Metadata. It enables developers to define and reuse cross-action variables, improving their actions implementation, resource management, and performance. Non-unique emails is also now in early access. This feature allows multiple user accounts to share the same email address within a database connection. Instead of using email as a unique identifier, accounts must be distinguished by either a username or phone number. Finally, sender-constrained tokens using Depop is now in early access. This feature protects against unauthorized use of access and refresh tokens by constraining them to be used only by the authorized application. Please review these deprecation announcements. Thanks for viewing the Auth0 monthly release highlights. Information and documentation on the latest updates can be found at auth0.com/changelog.